pork belly. Okay, sige. Bigyan mo kami ng bosam. Ready for two? Ang ramen niya.
Shareable lang siya.
You want? Pero, naramay may extra balls. Sige, na lang.
Yeah.
We'll have that na lang. Murag, pinakamabusog ako sa bosam.
Then mango shake. Yes, sir. Limited na siya. Limited na siya.
What I ate kanina is their bosam. So it's a pork belly and then there are dips. As you can see, merong mga dips around it. You dip the bosam and then i-wrap mo siya ng lettuce and then you eat it. Guys, it's so good. And they also have side dishes. They gave us kimchi and we also have the fish cakes. And guys, even their side dishes, walang patapon. It's so good talaga. That's why when people ask me what's my favorite Korean restaurant, I usually tell them here sa Pungryuchong. I don't know if I said that right. I really like it. It's authentic. Meron ng mga kasama namin kumakain here na they're Koreans. So, ayan. And